Okay, this is just we were trying to see about plating, and we have got this done to where we are at 4.5 on the pH level, and you can see that what the amperage is there, the current, and then you can also see the 4.5 as far as inside the jar is concerned. So we were just testing this out just to see, and it is plating quite a bit. So we're going to pull one of these plates right now, just so you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm going to pull it. Okay, we're pulling this one. Can you see the gold? There is the gold on the plate. See it? That is gold. Okay. We're going to see about the other one that we have here. And can you see it as well? There's gold on that plate as well. So the plating system seems to be working. All right. Thank you. That's it. And this was done with baking soda. Yes, it was, with baking soda. So it takes quite a bit of baking soda to turn around and put this over to, over to baking soda to get this to go to 4.5. It's a lot, you know. So anyway, this was our experiment for the last couple hours of trying to get this all up so that we could do this. Thank you. Bye. Okay, here we are trying some sodium hydroxide in a plating system. The same one we did with baking soda in yesterday. And there is the amps and the wattage. That's it, between 2 and 3. And so now we're seeing it actually do something here. So we're just waiting for it. So to see if it's actually doing anything. So when the amps go down, it stops plating. So right now everything seems to be working copacetically. All right. So we'll see. The liquid appears to be much clearer than yesterday when we had all the foam. So as you can see, it's definitely working. The voltage is right and the amps are right. So everything is all hooked up correct. So we're just going to see what we get here. You know, I think it's going to be pretty good. So we got 2 anodes, 2 cathodes, and they're all hooked up right. So anyway, that's it for right now. We'll keep going with this a little later. Well, as you can see, the system is still working. It is still between 2 and 3 volts as far as DC is concerned, and a little bit under 5 amps. So it's still plating stuff out. When the amperage drops more, it will be through, and the solution will be pretty well clear at that point. So anyway, this is it. So we are doing this with sodium hydroxide, brought to 4.5 pH. So we're just kind of waiting for this thing to get done so as we can see. But we have scraped some gold off the plates. It's really fine, and we have to wait for it to dry so as we can and let the plates dry out too, so we can kind of pull them off the plates. So but other than that, it seems to be working, and it's working rather well, I think. So all right, that's it. So long, bye. All right, this is the button that we ran right here. It's 1.92 grams in less than an ounce of gold. I mean an ounce of sponge. So I'm going to put this on the scale just so that you can see it as far as all that goes. We're doing that right now. So we'll drop it in here. It's already set for grams. 1.91, 1.92. So we're going to go ahead and move this down so that you can see it, and move it closer. And get this so that you can really see it. So that's the button that we got this morning. And this is the weight, 1.92. Now I'm going to take this out of here, turn the scale off, and we're going to put it over here so you can get a much better picture of this. And I think you're going to be really surprised. And this all came out of what we did this morning in our learning curve this morning. So, excuse me, I'm not very good at moving this stuff around. So there is the button right there. As you can see, we're going to get closer to it so that you can actually see it. Oops, sorry, right there. So this is what we've gotten. Now we're going to, that's kind of not very well focused though, is it? So we're going to take this outside to get a much clearer view. All right, thank you. I really hope that you're able to see this so that you can get a better understanding of what it is, but that's the button that we made this morning. And so hopefully where I'm at I can't see it, so hopefully you can. So that's it in the sunlight. It's got some really good color, and it is gold. So anyway, thanks, and we'll get back with you a little bit later. Bye.